Man, I wish I'd had a mallet back when I was a kid and doing tinker toys. I'm checking each one of these dowels before I put it in, because occasionally you're going to wind up with one where you went, oops, that's too thin. Well, we'll hide that in the back where it won't show. We won't see that gap. So we'll use these tighter ones up front here. So if you look at this over here, you can see I'm just trying to follow my pattern, and I want to build the bottom first. Then I'm going to put those in, build this as its own, and hammer it into that. You build it by stages. Anyway, but like I said, it's like playing with tinker toys as a kid. Oh crap, now this one goes, this is a 3-hole. So you want to look at it and say, okay, is that my best side? Or can I turn it here? Is that my best side? I like this side right here. You can see all that cool wood. So anyway, we'll keep working on this for a minute. Takes me back to my childhood. Now, I've been cheating a little bit with some glue because a couple of my dowels are a little bit off, but the rest of these are all jam fit. So we just tap, 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 maybe. Tap, tap, tap. Find the hole, dummy. Let's see. I never was that good with Lincoln Logs or tinker toys. Okay, let's see here. Here, we'll just flip it upside down and cheat. Now we can see the hole a little bit easier. Okay, there we go. That one's going in. Bring this one here. Awesome. This is looking great, isn't it? But wait. We're not done. We're gonna have some fun. Some good old woodturners porn. Wipe on poly. I dub thee the best wine rack ever. I think this turned out great. That curly maple, it's got burl in it, and then the Purple Heart just pops, and it gives me the idea of wine because it's got the great purple. This has been fun. We turned 2 dowels, and look what we made. I think this is the best project I made in a long time.